Hi students, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you are watching the video. Just I hope you are enjoying the video lectures of probability. In the last video we have studied about the sample space and number of sample points. Okay. Now in this practice set 5.3 we will be studying one more new concept, that is event. Okay. Now already we know what is probability. Probability का मतलब तो अभी हमको सबको पता चला है ना. Probability का मतलब क्या होता है? Possibility, chances of happening. And 5.2 में हमने देखा कि सैम्पल स्पेस कैसे लिखते हैं, नंबर ऑफ सैम्पल पॉइंट्स लिखा जाता है. And then now one more thing we are going to study, and that is event. Event means what? Event means a condition. Particular condition is given. Suppose when जब हम लोग कॉइन को टॉस करते हैं ना, तो दो चीजें हो सकती है, हेड या टेल. लेकिन हमारा माइंड कुछ बोलता है कि हम लोग कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं हमको हेड ही आना चाहिए, कोई दूसरा एक्सपेक्ट करेगा टेल ही आना चाहिए. एंड दैट इज द कंडीशन. वी एक्सपेक्ट समथिंग टू हैपन. ओके, कुछ होना. तो वो जो कंडीशन जो हम चाहते हैं उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोबेबिलिटी में इवेंट. ओके, सो 5.3 प्रैक्टिस सेट में हम लोग यही पढ़ने वाले इवेंट. सैंपल स्पेस तो है, उससे रिलेटेड इवेंट्स कैसे हम लोगों को लिखना है वो हम लोग इस एक्सरसाइज में पढ़ेंगे. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू in the textbook just see the question. Practice set 5.3. The question is given: write the sample space, number of sample points for each of the following experiments. Also write event A, B, C in the set form and write n of A, n of B and n of C. Now here three events are given, and for that also we have to write number of elements in event A, number of elements in event B, number of elements in event C. Okay, now here I have written question for you. First question it is written, one die is rolled. क्या है question? One die is rolled. Die. Now you are clear. सबसे जो खेलते हैं वो die के ऊपर क्या नंबर्स आते हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So sample space क्या आएगा? What is the sample space here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. One die is rolled. First you have to write the sample space. And what are the number of sample points? 6. Okay. Now here you can see now event A is given. Event A. What is given? Even number on the upper face. Now what is the meaning of upper face? देखो, जब हम लोग सांप-सीढ़ी खेलते डाई को फेंकते, उसका 6 साइड्स में नंबर्स रहते, बट हम लोग कौन सा नंबर को कंसीडर करते? ऊपर वाला, है ना? हम लोग नीचे लेफ्ट राइट देखते क्या? हम लोग कौन सा नंबर को कंसीडर करते जो ऊपर हमको दिखाई देता है? इसलिए तो क्या बोला गया? अपर फेस. तो ऊपर जो नंबर दिखेगा, कंडीशन क्या दिया है हमको? इवेंट है इवन नंबर ऑन द अपर फेस. इवन नंबर जो हमारा सैंपल स्पेस में जो नंबर्स है 1 2 3 4 5 6, इसमें से जो इवन नंबर है वही हमको लिखना है. ओके, क्लियर? इवन नंबर. सो event है, we have to write always in the set form. A is equal to even number. Even number, what are the even numbers here? Even number means multiples of 2. So 2, 4, 6. Okay. So therefore what you get? N of A is equal to how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3. I hope all of you understood. Even number. So We have to write that event in a set form. A is equal to 2, 4, 6. So 3 numbers. Now event B. Second condition is given. Event B, that is odd number. What is given here now? Odd number. जो ऊपर upper face पे क्या आना चाहिए हमको? Odd number आना चाहिए. Odd number, you know, which are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. Yes. So we will write in the set form. What are the numbers? 1, 3, 5. And also we have to write n of b. That is how many numbers are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many elements? 3 elements. Got it, children? All of you? I hope you are understanding. Now, third condition that is given, event C. What it is given? Event C. Event C, prime number on the upper face. Upper face should be what? Prime number. Prime number means what? Prime number, it is divisible by the number itself. बराबर जो खुद के टेबल में आता है ना? So prime numbers, you are clear? So prime numbers, what are the prime numbers here? See, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, and 5 is a prime number. You write only the prime numbers which are divisible by itself. That is 2, 3, 5. So here we will get n of C is equal to 1, 2, 3. Clear? The question was what? To write the sample space, number of sample points, event A, okay, event B, event A, number of elements in A, event B, number of elements in B, event C, number of elements in C. This was the question, so we have done with it. Understood, children? All of you? Okay. Coming to question number 2. Yes. 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. अभी यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? 2 dice को एक साथ फेंका गया है. अभी कर ली हमने पढ़ा previous lecture. We have studied the sample space when 2 dice are rolled at a time or simultaneously. So what is the sample space here? First of all, sample space will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Okay. 2 dice are rolled. Then we have to write the sample space properly. Okay. We have to write everything perfectly. Now here sample space we have written. Okay. So here what is n of s? We can have n of s is equal to 36. Okay. Now event conditions. The sum of digits on upper faces is multiple of 6. Now upper faces. 2 dice are there. Yes, 2 dice are there. So upper faces we will be getting different numbers that you know. But the condition is given. Condition क्या दिया है हमको? Sum of digits on upper faces is multiple of 6. Means that we have to add the numbers which are on upper face, and by adding प्लस करने के बाद जो भी आंसर आएगा वो क्या होना चाहिए? मल्टीपल ऑफ 6. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल नाउ हियर 1 1 is given. We are adding 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. 2 is it multiple of 6? No. So we cannot write it. Like that, check for each number. 1 plus 2 3. It is not a multiple of 6. Okay. Now coming here. 1 5. 1 plus 5 6. Yes, 6 is a multiple of 6. So that can be written. So in event A, first number what we will get? 1 comma 5. What is children? 1 plus 5 6. 6 is a multiple of 6. Sum of digits on upper face is multiple of 6. मतलब क्या? दोनों को प्लस करने का, प्लस करके जो आंसर आपको मिलेगा वो आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? मल्टीपल ऑफ 6. गॉट इट? नाउ कमिंग टू द सेकंड लाइन. हियर 2 plus 1 3. नो नो. 2 plus 4 6. Yes, 6 is a multiple of 6. So that we will get. Check for each number like that. 2 5 2 6. No. 3 1 3 2 3 3. 3 plus 3 6. 3 plus 3 6. Multiple of 6. 3 plus 5 8. 3 plus 6 9. No. 4 1 4 2. 4 plus 2 6. So we'll get 4 2. 4 3 4 4. No. 5 1. 5 plus 1 6. Okay. Then 5 2. 5 3 8. No. 5 4 9. No. 10. Here we will get 11. No. 10. 6 plus 1 7. No. 8 9 10 11. Then 6 6. 6 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So we will have 6 6. Any number left? No. आगे कोई भी नंबर नहीं. तो क्या आएगा? सब यहाँ पर हमारा इवेंट ए में 1 5 1 2 4 1 3 3 4 2 5 1 6 6. Okay. Check once again. 1 plus 5 6. 2 plus 4 6. 3 plus 3 6. 4 plus 2 6. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 6 12. All are multiples of 6. Got it? So how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now event B. What is the event B? Event B क्या दिया है? Sum of digits on upper face is minimum 10. Okay? Upper face. Sum of upper face is minimum 10. देखो यहाँ पर है ना कंडीशन मिनिमम के लिए दिया है. मतलब दो नंबर को जब हम प्लस करेंगे कम से कम क्या आना चाहिए? 10. 10 से ज्यादा भी चलेगा. Okay, 10 से ज्यादा मतलब क्या है? 11, 12, like that. Here, when 2 dice are rolled, maximum number हमको क्या मिलता है? Sum of numbers 12. 6 plus 6 12. तो 10, 11, 12 ये नंबर को हमको कंसिडर करना है. Okay, so we just add करो और चेक करो. 10 कब आएगा? 11, 12 वही नंबर हम लोग यहाँ पर लिखेंगे. Okay, so we will write event B. कौन सा नंबर से ऐड किया गया? यहाँ पे 10 आएगा. देखेंगे अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे. तो ये दो यहाँ तक तो हमको 10 मिलने वाला नहीं है. यहाँ पर 4 6. 4 plus 6 is 7. So that we can write here 4 6. And then we can write here. Here we will get 5 5. 5 plus 5 10. Then 5 plus 6 is 11. Yes. So that also we can write. Because condition is for minimum, more than 10 also we can take. Okay. So 5, 6. Then here 6, 4. 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 5, 11. 6 plus 6, 12. So we will get here 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So how many conditions we got here now? How many elements we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n of d is equal to 6. Got it children? Now event C. Event C क्या बोला है? The same digit on both the upper faces. यहाँ पे हमको कंडीशन क्या दिया है? दोनों का अपर फेस में सेम नंबर है नीचे. ओके, सेम नंबर है नीचे. सेम नंबर अब यहाँ पे देखते हैं हम लोग कहाँ का है? 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. So C में क्या है कंडीशन? 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. सेम नंबर आया दोनों का अपर फेस में. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट वी गॉट. सो हाउ मेनी elements? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So n of C is equal to 6. So this is what. So we are completed with the question number 2. Okay, so you just revise it. सम्स को प्रैक्टिस करो घर में. ओके, प्रैक्टिस. कुछ डाउट है तो आप मेरे मेल पे मैसेज कर सकते हैं. ओके, टिल दैट टाइम टेक केयर, study hard and stay safe at home.